welcome back today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. It is just below. And if you're already come back, hello, welcome back today. So today I am kind of doing something a little bit different. So of course it's the new year, and I kind of want to give more positive kind of stuff. So this week I will be doing a number of videos on products I really appreciate, that I think work really well, are really nice products to work with. They're not something that I would go to every single day because I have my favourites, but they are products that I do pick up, and I'm going to do it for a brand, and then hopefully this will keep happening over the next couple of months of just doing a week of videos that products that I'm really happy with from a certain brand. So this week's brand is Revolution. So this is a product I wanted to start with because it's a affordable drugstore product that works really well. They have some great products out there, and I want to share with you guys over the next couple of videos some products that I'm super happy with, and then hopefully the end video will be a full makeup video with all of these products kind of being used to show you that kind of a full face of basically Revolution. So let's just get into this video, guys, and start it off. So to kick off this kind of appreciation product video thing, I'm talking about bronzer and highlighter. So I haven't added blusher in because I haven't really found one from Revolution that I kind of pick up now and then. So that's why I haven't added it in. If you guys know of a blusher from Revolution that you like, no, that one's so good, you need to try it out, please comment below and let me know what it is and I will test it out. So basically I have a bronzer from Revolution that I pick up a lot of the time. In a lot of my videos I do link the makeup I'm wearing so that people can know and are interested in what products I'm using. So I do pick this one up constantly, and that's why I had to add it. And it's just a Revolution bronzer, and this is like a matte bronzer, which I love this time of year. I kind of love to just pick it up now and then. Like, it's definitely one that comes out of the drawer more than most other bronzers. So yeah, I definitely had to add this one in, and it's just so pretty. So I'll show you guys how I apply this. It's so simple, but I don't even need a mirror because this is just so pretty and simple, and it's one that just blends so nicely, and I just think it looks so pretty. So I'm just going to put it on how I normally do in the morning. And one thing I really love about this is I can build with it. So when I'm kind of going for more of a natural makeup look, this works really well because then I just put a subtle bit on, and then if I'm going out and I want to kind of do more, it works really well, and I just really love it. And this is just one of my favorites. I love a matte bronzer, and this, they're kicking it out of the park with this one. This one I do constantly pick up, and I just absolutely love it. Okay, so now highlighter, there is two that I keep going to from Revolutions. See, I always going to drop something. So this is Peach Kiss. This I really like. It's kind of more of, how do I describe it? It's more like kind of, I would use this one more in summer or like warmer months. It's got more of a peachy kind of, I don't know how to, rose gold kind of tinge to it. And this is called Peach Kiss. And then my favourite for this time of year is Ice Kiss. Well, I use this in summer too because it's just so pretty. And this so good at like highlighter. It really just, like, a little bit goes such a long way. Same with the bronzer, like, you don't have to build too much to really see it. So I really like them both. So guys, they are the two that is kicking off this appreciation week. They just make me so happy, and the fact of, like, they work so well, they last so long, and they are just, I just keep picking them up. Sometimes I change, but they are definitely ones that I go to constantly, and I'm so happy with them and how they kind of look. Please comment below, guys, if there's any other blushes, bronzers or highlighters that are from Revolution that you are like, no, you really need to go with this one's so much better, or if there's ones that you're like, no, this one. But please comment below of what is your favourites, or if these were your favourites, comment below. Well, thanks for watching today, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I hope you guys have a lovely day.